In this video, we are going to fix 0x800f0247 Windows Update error in Windows 11. So without any further ado, let's get started. The first solution that you can do is that you need to scan disk. So by that, you need to open your File Explorer. You can also press Windows key and E key together on your keyboard. In that way, you'd be able to open the File Explorer. Now from here, please proceed to the left pane and locate for this PC. Click on it. Once you have opened this PC, you'll see your C drive or local disk. Please make a right click and then please proceed to the properties. And under the properties window, you can find there tools. Please proceed for error checking. Click on checked and then go with scan drive. Okay, so please click on the scan drive, wait until it would be done. Okay, this might take some time, maybe 5 minutes or more than that. Please be patient, wait until it would be done, and once you are done, check if the problem has been fixed. However, if not, then you need to proceed to the next solution. Solution could be, okay, you need to go with the system scanning. So by that, you need to go with here at the search box. Please type for CMD. Once you've typed that, you'd be able to see a best match, which is the command prompt system. So just have to navigate to your command prompt and please run it as an administrator. So by that, you need to navigate here at the right side. Wait until you can see the run as administrator. Click on that one. Once you have to open the command prompt as the administrator, you need to copy the command. The first is copy and paste it, sfc space / scannow. So click on the enter key and then once you are done, you need to proceed on the pasting or copying and pasting for this one. So this will to help you to fix the problem. Okay. And this process will take some time, maybe 7 minutes, but please be patient because it will help you to diagnose the problem. And once you are good, restart your computer. Once you've restarted it, check if the problem has been fixed. Okay. Now that's it. If you think this video had helped you a lot, then don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching and have a good day, everyone.